Are wheel spacers a good idea? For the factory wheel rims, the wheel width is smaller than the aftermarket wheels. When there is an increase in wheel width and a lack of backspacing, wheel spacer can be used to adjust the offset and increase the backspacing.
When choosing safe wheel spacers, material selection can be very important. Considering the strength and rust-proof needs, brilliant aluminum is more suitable.
Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improving performance. A key advantage of BONOSS wheel spacer is the active cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with pintle-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system.
That's today's video. If you want to get its BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.